Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding the MAC address on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the home button on your remote, then use the arrow buttons to navigate to the left until you get to settings and tap OK to open them. In settings, select support. Then scroll down to and tap on About this TV. Use the arrow button to scroll down the page. Here you will find your TV's MAC address. You can see the wired MAC address and the wireless MAC address. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.